Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Caribbean here with me. This is a pretty cool one. This is part of the Salt Knives collection from Spyderco, and it's gonna cost you around $200 US. This is made in the Taichung factory in Taiwan, and it's a pretty cool compression lock. Overall, this is a very interesting knife because it's made keeping in mind the rust resistance, because the steel is really highly rust resistant, and it's very suitable to be used at the beach, in salty environments, or in the kitchen, of course. When open, this blade is 8.54 inches long, and when closed is 4.84 inches. The scales are made of G10 with these pretty cool ridges, which are gonna give like a pretty grippy feel to it. Which is great if you are in a wet environment. Also, the blade has a pretty cool sheep's foot shape with a 3.7 inch long blade. Steel is LC200N, really good, high up there. The grind is full flat, and the finish is satin, as you can see. The sound it makes is very interesting because it's like this. It's like a nice and deep thud. Look at that. This is pretty cool. And when you open this guy, and when you close it, sorry, it's like that. It's like very dampened and almost silent thump. Very well dampened. I'm a fan of this sound. The weight is going to be 4.2 ounces in your pocket, and to keep it like fully rust resistant, they included even like a titanium pocket clip, which has been sandblasted beautifully. The grip is great. It's like a non-slip grip because of these nice ridges. There's a little bit of jimping going on to give you like a more secure grip, and it's very smooth overall. The action is very nice. The speed it's there. You can thumb flick this guy pretty quick, and it's smooth because it's running on phosphorus bronze washer, so very smooth action overall. Detent is great, and overall it's a very attractive knife. So there you have it. So if you want to know more about this knife, please check out my full-length review, but thanks for watching and stay tuned.